Hi everybody, this is Christy from Little C's Creation and More Happiness Homemade on YouTube. I just wanted to come on today and let you know, show you that Alice got a kit for Christmas, a couple of kits. One of them was a birdhouse she made. She also wanted some real size tools. We only let her do it when she's around somebody who, like a grown-up, who can work with her. Today her and her dad are going to build a birdhouse. I hope you will enjoy. Alice is making a first project with her new toolkit that she got for Christmas. Pink toolkit right here. She got for Christmas, and she is making a birdhouse. She's trying really hard to nail it in.
Hammer it in.
Same difference. Need some help?
Tired.
Let me help you. I'll get the. Alright, yeah. I'll do the next one. It's okay, baby.
These goggles are fogging. I did.
Oh, you might not need them.
I don't think I did.
Not for this. Put it straight down.
They got the sides on.
Yup. And I'm almost ready to hammer it.
And now what are y'all building?
Well, there's these little shells.
Birdhouse.
These little what they call shells in the back.
We're building the shells, guys.
They're called back shells is what the thing
Back
is
shells
called.
is what they're called, people.
Alright. Hammer away.
Yay! Oopsie.
Oh, you're good. Takes a little bit
She's
longer.
never done the nailing except for one time when she put up a picture frame on the wall with Daddy.
Alright.
So,
Whoops.
How's nailing Daddy and busting his cool?
you have two of these to do, so I'll bring you back after we're done these.
We're straight up and down. Up it straight up and down. Yeah, what? That one's a little bit more awkward. There. There's some nails missing. I accidentally dropped this thing. Ultimately, that's what it's going to look like. But I gotta go find the missing nails. So, excuse me for a second.
Bird comes into the house.
Yeah, that'll be fun, won't it?
Now we're putting the finishing touches on everything.
Well, I still gotta open this thing, a new thing of nails. Hang on.
And put the front of the
We had to
birdhouse
stop
on.
it, so that's why it took so long to get the video back on.
Yeah. Yeah, I lost some. I dropped the thing of nails and lost some of them, so I had to go back
But
to
to
those.
you, it's only going to be a few seconds. But to us, we had to go to Lowe's, yeah.
But I hope you'll still like it, guys.
It'll be good. Alright. Line these nail holes up.
Daddy, I thought you were supposed to hammer them in.
Hmm. Well, no, you gotta line them up in the holes first. Then you hammer.
Okay.
Don't remember. Hold it. Hammer it straight up and down.
Okay.
Yeah, let me angle a little bit for you. That might help. Here. Careful, baby. Do it just like you did before, because you were doing it really good before. Now you're getting frustrated. So here.
bring you back when we have them all nailed in. So this is the finished project. It's a little house. It's so beautiful. That Alice and Daddy built. So hopefully the birds will find it, and that's the first project she did. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification so you can be notified of future videos.
And if you have any comments, just hit down below.
Yeah, leave your comments in the below.
And if you like this video and want to see more projects with Alice, then click the like button. Y'all have a great day.
Alice, say bye-bye.